Well, TV serial Anupama fame actor Rupali Ganguly has joined the BJP. This is big news coming in. She is also a very popular TV actor. She has joined the BJP in the national capital today. Is all being seen as an unexpected move amid the ongoing Lok Sabha polls. But let's just listen in to the actor and what she had to say about her decision to join the BJP.
जब मैं ये विकास का महायज्ञ देखती हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है क्यों ना मैं भी इसमें सहभागी बनूं। तो मुझे विनोद तावड़े जी का मार्गदर्शन मिला, अमित बिनोनी जी का आशीर्वाद मिला, संजय मयूख जी की गाइडेंस मिली और मैं यहाँ पर आ गई हूँ कि मैं किसी तरह से मोदी जी के बताए रास्ते पर चलूं और किसी तरह से देश सेवा में लगूं।
Okay, Arun Dhanta joins us now for the very latest on this. Quite an unexpected move, Arun. She is quite a popular TV star herself. I remember watching her famous Sarabhai versus Sarabhai serial as well. What motivated her to join the BJP?
Well, that's right. Not only Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, but also she got this fame from Anupama TV serial. And now when she joined Bharatiya Janata Party and while she was speaking, she said she is a huge fan of Prime Minister Modi and she's highly influenced with the work which BJP is doing, and therefore she wanted to, give her part in that work of the party. Now, importantly, what is going to be the role for Rupali Ganguly in Bharatiya Janata Party, we'll have to see. But at this moment, of course, one thing is very clear that she will be, of course, participating in various campaign programs of Bharatiya Janata Party, and you'll see her campaigning for various candidates in coming few days. And that is perhaps the reason why BJP, had taken her into their fold. That we all know that she has a good fan following. As far as the serials that you've just mentioned, people know her through those serials. So perhaps there could be some sort of attention which people might give to the candidate specifically where she would go. And therefore perhaps BJP is thinking that they will get some some votes or some support of people through Rupali Ganguly. And we have seen such joinings happening during the election time. One or two such faces from different walks of life joining the party fold, and of course then party will have specific roles and responsibility for them, and accordingly they use them.
All right, Arun, thanks so much for joining us.